planks. We're going to go over that today. Strengthens your shoulders, strengthens your core, strengthens your legs. It strengthens a lot in your body. And what we want to go over today in this video, we want to go over how to do a plank. What's the best way to do a plank without getting injured? Many people go do planks, they're like, oh, do a plank for 1 minute, go do a plank for 2 minutes. If you're not doing the planks right, there's no point in doing them for that long. Don't get your ego out of the way. We want to do the planks even if it's for 5 seconds. Do them properly and you will see benefits. And you can progress. You can progress and keep getting better and better and extend that duration. But the most important thing, do it with proper form to reduce risk of injury. So let's get started. Starting from the bottom, you can choose whether you would like to have a wide stance or you could have a narrow stance. I personally prefer the narrow stance. I feel that I do better with the narrow stance. You can choose whichever you would like. As you see, this is an anterior pelvic position, and we will slowly move into the posterior pelvic position. What we want is a neutral spine. When we are doing the plank, we want to maintain this neutral pelvic position. So we've got 2 aspects covered already. We've covered the foot position. We've also covered the pelvic position. The last 2 that we're going to be talking about today, we're going to be talking about where our head is at when we are doing planks. I'm not talking about are you tired or are you in pain. I'm talking about the position of your head. Is it straight? Is it, bent? Also, the last component that we're going to be talking about is the scapular control. Where our back is. Is it like hunched? Is it straight, strong, firm, stiff? Where is it? So that's the last 2 components that we're going to go over today. And let's end this. During the plank, you may start getting tired and your head will start to bob down. It's important to keep that head straight and strong. Don't let it fall and sink down. As you can see, the mid-back is dipped down. For proper planks, you want the back to be completely aligned, scapula controlled. To do this, push your mid-back towards the ceiling and keep that protraction of the scapula throughout the plank. If the plank has become too easy for you and you are looking for something more challenging, what you can do is get into the position of the plank, drive your hands towards your feet without actually moving them. This will be an isometric contraction. You will be activating a muscle in your back called the latissimus dorsi. Another way to increase the intensity of this exercise is to drive your feet towards the ground, trying to separate the ground that's beneath you. This will activate your glutes, firing them up, as well as your leg muscles. It's important to remember that when you do increase the intensity of this exercise, you need to maintain proper alignment of the rest of the components of a plank, such as keeping foot positioning proper, keeping your glutes and abs activated throughout this exercise, keeping your scapula in control, your head in control, and your pelvis in proper position. Good luck. If the plank position that was shown today was not easy to do for you due to your wrist being tight, please use these stretches to loosen up the muscles in your wrist. If the plank position was difficult even for a couple seconds, start off with the inclined plank position and work your way down to the bottom. Thank you everyone for listening to this video today. I really hope you benefited from it somehow. These are tips that I got from some doctors prescribing to me this plank for lower back pain. So this information that I was giving you today did not come out of nowhere. This came out of professional doctors in this field that knew what they were doing. And I feel that this video is beneficial for people who are looking to get better in terms of injuries, in terms of just developing strength in their core, developing strength throughout the whole body, and they can definitely benefit from this.